Here's a look at the January 2025 issue of Cleaner magazine. In our cover story, how do you turn a struggling family business into a thriving operation? Nate Agentis ditched trip fees, leaned on custom CRM dashboards, and focused on employee training. Find out how these moves fueled his success. Are you looking to turn a small plumbing outfit into a multi-state powerhouse? Devon Tells did exactly that. He relies on flat-rate pricing, local hiring, and relentless branding, all while keeping the Aloha spirit front and center. Read on to learn from his playbook. Tired of losing hours to video analysis? Discover how AI-powered tools like Sewer AI's autocode/inspection times boost accuracy and help crews tackle up to 4,000 feet of pipe daily. Don't let winter bite back. Learn how to gear up against cold stress, spot the warning signs, and pick the right gear to stay warm, safe, and efficient, even when the mercury dives. What's your secret weapon for grease-choked lines and frozen pipes? One Illinois pro swears by his Hotjet USA trailer jetter, 11 years strong and still turning clogged drains into cash. From advanced chemical grouts to high-tech cameras and sealing systems, this roundup includes tools and products that can stop infiltration, improve structural integrity, and speed up repairs. In this case study, see how a simple sealant helped Lucas County sanitary engineer prevent costly I&I issues. Tackle tough sewer and drain work with the Vermeer VX75 vacuum trailer. This lightweight, versatile unit combines power, efficiency, and smart features like remote controls and customizable configurations. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner magazine. See you next month.